Hey everybody, happy Thursday. Okay, so on today's class, we are going to work on this page. Okay, it's a reading log and the name is The Friends. Do you remember the new high frequency word that we learned this week? The, T-H-E, the friends. Okay, so let's begin. First sentence says, the girl. Very good. On next page. Wait a second. Very good. Okay, so number 2. It says, what do you see right here in the picture? I see a boy. Right? Like scare or something. It says, the boy. Okay, page number 3. Sorry, page number 3, right here. The dog. This is a dog. The dog. Very good. And then, page number 4. Very good. Page number 4, it says, the friends. Right? Here's the boy and the girl and the dog. So the 3 of them are friends, right? So you have to color the pictures, okay, for the 2 pages, okay? Very good. And now we are going to work on this page. Okay, so you have angry boy, sad boy, a mirror. Okay? She's happy. He's surprised. This little girl is excited. And this one is wondering. Okay, so listen up. It says, tell about each picture. Put a marker on each picture if it shows a feeling. So right now with me, you are going to circle all the pictures that shows you a feeling. For example, this boy is mad, circle. This boy is sad, circle. The same in this road and in the last one, okay? Don't forget to color the pictures. Okay, very good. Great job, everyone. Bye.